Moving on. As unprecedented floods have hit parts of South Asia, Pakistan has officially declared a national emergency, calling the unusually heavy monsoon rains a climate-induced humanitarian crisis. The calamity has killed more than 900 people and affected over 30 million across the country.
Calling the unusually heavy monsoon rains a climate-induced humanitarian crisis of epic proportions, Pakistan's Climate Minister Sherry Rahman on Thursday officially declared a national emergency in light of the rain-induced floods, which have killed more than 900 people and affected over 30 million, about 15% of the South Asian country's population. In the hardest-hit impoverished Balochistan province, people in Quetta city were busy clearing debris from their destroyed houses. A victim lamented there has been no relief from the government. The National Disaster Management Authority has said since mid-June, when the monsoon began, over 3,000 kilometers of road, 130 bridges and 495,000 homes have been damaged across Pakistan.
ये सारा सामान निकाल रहे हैं, हमारा बिस्तर है, सब कुछ सामान इधर ही रह गया। अलमारी है, कबाट है, सब कुछ है, उसको निकाल रहा है, बिस्तर है, निकाल रहा है। अपना मदद आप है। खुद मैं अपना मदद खुद कर रहे हो, जो कुछ हमको नहीं मिला अभी तक। एक तंबू मिला हुआ है, वो भी हम मजबूर है कि कहाँ उसको लगा दे, बारिश है।
In Tonsa Sharif in Punjab province, people with collapsed houses also pleaded for help. Funding and reconstruction efforts will be a challenge for cash-strapped Pakistan, which is having to cut spending to ensure that the International Monetary Fund approves the release of much-needed bailout money. The government has urged the international community to help with relief efforts.